The U.S. military's latest generation of Interceptor drones, designed specifically for counter-swarm defense. These systems use high-speed, reusable airframes with advanced AI guidance, kinetic or non-kinetic payloads, and vertical takeoff capability to rapidly engage incoming drone swarms. They can detect, track, and neutralize dozens of targets simultaneously using onboard radar, electro-optical sensors, and mesh networking for coordinated intercepts. The strength is reusability and low cost per engagement. One interceptor can take out multiple threats and return to base for quick turnaround. The current limitation is the need for robust command and control links in jammed environments, but AI autonomy is closing that gap fast. They entered operational testing in late 2025 and are most known for protecting forward bases and naval assets against the growing low-cost drone swarm threat seen in recent conflicts. These interceptors achieve speeds over Mach 0.8, carry modular payloads for both kinetic strikes and electronic warfare, integrate with ground-based radars for extended detection range, and can operate in fully autonomous wolfpack mode to overwhelm enemy swarms before they reach friendly forces. Check my link in bio for more educational content on military technology. VetMilTech, daily from the drop zone.